Most of us go to the dentist a couple of times a year to have our teeth cleaned, and we probably visit the doctor once a year to check our overall health. But what do we do to assure that our spine is functioning properly? Probably very little. So, what are some of the common symptoms that may be caused by joint restrictions in the spine and extremities? Upper and lower back pain, headaches and migraines, sciatica, restricted movement, muscle tightness, decreased activity and quality of life, and after prolonged lack of motion, wear and tear, eventually arthritis and joint degeneration can occur. Ouch! That's why the team at The Joint focuses their efforts on the spine. They know that if a vertebral joint is not moving properly, nerve irritation and inflammation can occur, blocking critical information to and from the brain. So, what happens when you visit The Joint? Well, for starters, our licensed doctors of chiropractic with 8 years of advanced education will perform an exam and may ask you to do some stretches and movements to gauge your range of motion and identify areas of restriction in and around your spine. Then they will discuss how these trouble areas may or may not relate to your current symptoms. Chiropractors at The Joint perform millions of adjustments a year, so you know you're in good hands. After your consultation and exam, they'll probably ask you to lie down on their adjustment table so they can apply a gentle, direct pressure to the areas that are causing problems to help improve movement in those areas. This is called an adjustment. You may hear a little cracking or popping noise during the process, but that's just the gas being released from the restricted joint. And it's a good thing. There are a variety of techniques that may be used to correct your joint restrictions, some of which don't create any noise whatsoever. Your chiropractor will determine which of these techniques are best for you. Remember, by the time you're feeling pain, a lot of damage might have already been done. Regular visits to the Joint Chiropractic are an easy choice in planning for a healthier, more active lifestyle.